You're probably wondering, what on earth is happening here? Damage prevention in buried infrastructure is crucial, especially when we consider the hidden history that may lie beneath the surface. A remarkable example surfaced in 2014 in Cambridgeshire, England, during a gas pipe installation. The installation inadvertently disturbed an ancient Anglo Saxon burial site, with the gas pipe piercing the skull of a woman. Now, it's highly likely that the installer was completely unaware that they had unknowingly disrupted such an important historical find. The pipe was laid using directional drilling, a modern method that involves tunneling a long path for pipes between small access points. This technique is preferred for minimizing surface disruption compared to traditional cut-and-fill methods. Yet even with these advanced tools, the discovery highlights the need for thorough planning to avoid unintended consequences. The situation also mirrors a more common problem in the industry: cross-boring. Just as the gas pipe unknowingly cut through ancient history, cross-bores can damage critical modern infrastructure. This occurs when utility lines accidentally intersect or damage existing buried infrastructure, creating safety risks and potential disruptions. Just like it's essential for archaeologists to carefully plan and execute excavations to protect buried history, the same level of diligence is required by excavators when digging for construction or utility installation. In this case, the disruption led to the discovery of many more graves, ultimately uncovering over 200, which revealed Oakington as a significant 6th century Anglo Saxon cemetery. This reinforces the importance of taking care when working underground, as even small actions can uncover large-scale historical sites. This is why calling 811 before digging is so important. One simple call ensures that underground utility lines are properly marked, preventing the risk of damaging pipes, cables, or even more hazardous systems. Whether it's protecting our cultural heritage or safeguarding the infrastructure we depend on daily, planning, communication, and the right technology are key to avoiding costly mistakes. To learn more about damage prevention, visit aii.org.